Hey guys, today we're opening up a Mega Scizor pin blister with 3 packs of breakpoint, I believe. Could be wrong, it could be 1 pack of breakpoint and 2 packs of breakthrough, but I think those are all 3 the same set. Either way, it's Lucario Break, a Mega Gyarados and Mega Scizor packs, and a really cool, see if I can find the right place for this, really cool Mega Scizor pen. See if I can even zoom in a little bit. Yeah, look at that. Super cool. Either way, let's crack into this bad boy and see if we can beat the pulls we got last time. I don't know. 2 of these in a row we pulled a full art, so it's probably unlikely that we'll be able to surpass that. But I guess we'll just have to wait and see. Once again, we got that pen. Looking super cool. Chainsaw hands. And these 3 packs. Mega Scizor is my favorite card out of this set, out of these 3 cards at least, by far. So we'll save that one for last. Lucario is also pretty cool. I'm not, again, the biggest fan of break cards, but we'll save that for second, and we'll do the shiny Mega Gyarados pack first. See what we can pull. Like the fairy looks like it's on some next level. Something next level. Okay. Is that Hypno in the background? Looks like it. She's going crazy. A Slowpoke. A Drowsy to go along with that Clefairy. A Shelder with Razor Shell. Sorry, I just wanted to zoom in a little bit. A Kricketot. A Splash Energy. If the water Pokemon this card is attached to is knocked out by damage from an opponent, put that Pokemon into your hand. That could be really useful. Pokemon Catcher switches one of your opponent's Pokemon with their bench Pokemon, or their active Pokemon with one of their bench Pokemon. A cool looking toy Nuzleaf. A Fighting Fury Belt, which is actually really good, and it's reverse holo, so that's amazing. 40 plus HP and attacks do 10 more damage. That's actually insane. And a regular rare Shiftry, which I'm perfectly fine with because this card is where it's at. Okay, and that was 3 packs of breakpoint, by the way. Moving on to the Knoxtra break. See if we can get the goodness out of this pack. Starting off with a Ducklet, a Furfrou, a Psyduck. We got 2 ducks in 1 pack. A Gibble, who's just never enough. Skorupi. A Bursting Balloon. If the Pokemon this card is attached to is your active Pokemon and is damaged by an attack, put 6. Wow. That's crazy. Got a Durant munching on some mountains. A Doublade. A reverse holo to Growlithe, which I believe is a holo in the set. It's definitely a rare, but I'm pretty sure that's a reverse holo. and that Hypno from the Clefairy card. So not really good pulls so far. We got 2 regular rares. Let's see if this scizor pack has the luck for us. Hopefully it does. We'll see. C-Dot, who's ramming into everyone. For free again. We got another Slowpoke hanging out with the Ducklets. A couple Rattata. Another Skorupi. Arcanine, which looks really cool. A Luxio. Another Bursting Balloon, which could be really good. A Reverse Holo Gibble, and 3 regular rares. That's terrible. Regular rare Theraphorn. Oh well. We did pull 1 gift card, I guess. See if I can. There we go. Reverse Holo, Holo Dragalge. Yeah, there we go. Zoom in just a little bit. That artwork is actually really good. Oh well. Let me know what you guys pulled from this Mega Scizor triple pin blister, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.